This is the muscle we will use for ballet class, okay? Everybody, let's do 10 of them, okay? Ready? 10 in first. Ready? Up, 10 up. Stay. Drop, 10 in. Up, 10 up. Drop, 10 in. Up, 10 up. 3. Down. And 4 up. Down. 5 up. 10 in. And drop. 6 up. 8, 10 in, down. Go again, 7. And then down. Continue. 8. And down. 9. And down. One last time. Go. Up. 10 up. Hold there. Feel your hip muscle. Tighten up. Push up to sitting. That's the muscle when you do a passing turn. When you do arabesque. We all need this muscle. 10 up. Push your tailbone forwards. In the class. Ballet class. And relax. Okay, relax for a moment. Just stay there. Relax. You can hold your leg, whatever you want. Totally relax your back. Give it a moment. Okay, girls, very good. Okay, so right now we put a mat away. We stand up by the bar or by the chair. We do release. Work on the foot muscle. Ready? I go this way, okay? I can see you. Okay, we just do relay, okay? First patient relay. Okay, we do 16 times. Ready, everybody? Get up. Yeah, you can hold your chair now. Yes. Okay, let's do 16 times. I count for you, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right now, right side leg back. One leg, 16 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We do our side. Ready? Okay, try to not push bar too much. Use your foot, okay? Use the stomach pulley. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Finish. Step back. Stretch your heel. Yeah? Step back. Yes. Stay there. Don't move. Okay, between your legs, stretch your other side of heel. Stretch. Stay. Okay, so right now we do one more thing. Okay, come on, watch me. Okay, we do this, okay? You plie to the front, and then you open on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we just do that. Okay, so right now, the last 10 minutes, I will do some exercise related to our ballet technique class. That is the bridge from stretch class to the technique class. Okay, so whatever I ask you to do right now, later on you do the faded turn. See the faded turn, right? You not start at it yet. But this muscle you have to work on before you doing that turns. Okay? So everybody watching me, okay? We go out together, okay? So stay here, brush out. Ready? Arm open to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, pass it right away. 2. Right now, find your center balance. Ready? Release bar. Hold there as much as you can. Hold there, release bar. Feel the balance. Okay, relax. Relax. You have to do one more time, okay? Okay, one more time. Come on. Like brush out. Ready? Go. 1, 2. This time add really in. Really in. Yes. Third one. Good. Fourth one. The fifth one. Pass it. Find your center. Release bar hold. Stay, don't move. Don't move. Yes. Beautiful passing of Vanessa, okay? Okay, let's do our side. Come on. We do our side, okay? Relax a little. Okay, first time, no real way, okay? Flat foot. Ready, everybody? Arm open to the side. Go. Brush. Side. Open, okay? Turn out. 2. Good. Open. 3. Good. And continue. 4. One last time. 5. Pass it real way. Find your center. Get ready. Feel the balance. Pulling up. Pulling. Okay, relax. Relax a little. We have to do one more time. This time, always real way. Okay? Relax. Okay. Ready, everybody? Brush front clear. Go. Real way. 1. And plie. Real way up. Open. Good. Real way open. Good. Fourth one. Beautiful. Last one. Pass it. Stay, don't move. Hold there. Stay there, don't move. Release more quick. And then down, finish. Okay, relax, girls. Come on, relax. Give it a moment. Do you guys need to drink water? You can drink water right now. Go drink water and then give you just 2 minutes to drink water very fast. Okay, and then I came back. Do you guys have a water bottle or something at home?